Welcome to Stored Procedures Unpacked. This course will teach you how to write stored procedures using Microsoft SQL Server. No programming experience is necessary. My name is Chris Wenzel and I've been a software developer for 30 years. More importantly, I love to teach and have a knack for breaking complicated concepts into simple ideas. By the time you've completed this course, you'll have an appreciation of developing stored procedures, overcome your fear, and be able to write stored procedures that pass parameters, handle errors, and roll back unintended database changes. Imagine having the knowledge, confidence, and sense of accomplishment conquering what others feel is too hard and scary. Here's what you're going to learn. Write bits of database code developers can call from other programs. Create reusable code to save time and make your queries easier to read. Learn how to debug a stored procedure, use cursors to access specific rows within a result, set up transactions, detect errors, and automatically roll back changes. You're in the right place if you're an ambitious professional who wants to learn stored procedures to expand your SQL skill set, open job opportunities, and advance your career. Whether you're a developer looking to secure your app with stored procedures, a consultant looking to expand your tool set, an IT professional looking to read and understand database code, an analyst looking to better build models, you're at the right place. I truly appreciate the time you've taken to check out Stored Procedures Unpacked and can't wait for you to enroll today. Why wait? Get started learning now. I'm looking forward to seeing you in class.